With me right now is Gary. Gary, are you from Canada?
I'm from Canada, Toronto.
Imagine, this guy went all the way from Canada to the Philippines just to be certified by me.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
How did you like your intro diving today?
It was a very good experience.
Really?
Yep,
What did you
good.
learn? What did you learn?
I learned how to breathe out my mouth, I think. That's
Okay.
the main lesson I learned today.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a different environment out here because in diving, you never breathe through your nose, right? It's always through the mouth.
Correct.
You just have to get used to it. Okay, what about your ears? Did you feel any pain?
Yeah, it took me a while because I guess the pool wasn't deep enough for me. But once I got really flat in the pool, I felt a little bit of pain.
Well, anyway, don't forget, if you want to dive,
Yeah.
you have to practice breathing from that regulator. In diving, it's all about snorkeling. If you can snorkel properly,
Yeah.
you can be a good diver.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
And every time you have a squeeze on your ears, just let it stay. Maybe give it maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes,
Okay.
or even 5 minutes.
All right.
Because some people they can easily equalize because their ears are used to it.
Okay.
Okay. But I'm sure you're gonna get it. Well, anyway, how was your diving today?
It was good. It was an excellent dive today. We had a fun dive today.
I've never certified people in one day.
Yeah.
It's a 2-day course, and you got certified in a day. What was the secret?
It was a good teacher, that's all.
I don't think so. I think that my dive master Apple was really good. Huh?
Yeah, it was really
he
good
taught
as
you
well.
all of the skills. Well, anyway, out of all the skills he taught you, which was the most difficult skill?
Most difficult skill I had was buoyancy control.
Buoyancy control.
Yeah.
Well, buoyancy control is the ultimate of diving. When your buoyancy is good, you're just like a professional. Well, anyway,
Thank
you're
you very
now
much.
a certified CMAS diver. Enjoy your diving, all
Thank
right?
you.
This is Jason, a guy who doesn't eat pork. Well, anyway, because you're Jewish, right?
Yeah.
Pork is not really good because it destroys your health. That's why if
That's why
only
I'm so fit.
exactly like your friend John. He's a vegetarian.
Yeah.
And pork is not really good for the body. Just like alcohol, never drink alcohol before dive.
Of course.
All
Never.
right. Well, anyway, did you enjoy your course?
Yeah, it was amazing. The instructions were great. We got to see some really cool things. We got certified.
You said you saw some cool things. Is it the second day or the first day?
First day was all learning the basics
Right,
and instruction. And once you get that down, got to go see some really cool stuff.
So, okay, what's the secret of scuba diving so you'll be safe?
Always breathe. Never hold your breath.
That's the only secret, guys. So, congratulations. Huh?
Thank you.
You're now a CMAS diver.
Thank you.
With me right now is Paolo. Paolo, how old are you? 15. Bakit mo naisipan mag-scuba diving, Paolo?
For enjoyment.
For enjoyment. Bakit? Nagsasawa ka na ba sa mga party ng mga boys?
Di naman po ako
Ha?
di naman po ako sa mga party.
Hindi ka mahilig sa mga party. Anong hilig mo? Yung mga nature tripping, gano'n? Yung mga mountain climbing? Ba, alam mo, sana lahat ng bata tulad mo, no, ha? Kasi yung mga batang kilala ko, pagka may pera sila, pupunta sa mall. Uubusin lang sa mga games, di ba? Eto, pag natuto ka mag-scuba diving, you are actually communing with nature. At saka pag nagda-dive ka, alam mo, ang sarap talaga ng feeling na nagda-dive ka. Talagang, para kang isa ka sa doon sa mga isda sa aquarium. And this time, magiging problema mo lang, yung tank mo is only good for 45 minutes. After that, you have to get refill. Hindi ba? So, kumusta yung ginagawa mong lesson nga? Nahihirapan ka ba? Alam mo yung lesson natin, napakadali kasi it's all about mask clearing, breathing continuously, and never hold your breath. Yan ang naman importante sa diving. Kasi pag nag-hold ka ng breath mo, lalo na pag nag-a-ascend ka, yun, kita mo, sabi nung anak ko, you're gonna die, magra-rupture yung lungs mo, di ba? So, yun lang tatandaan mo, never hold your breath. Okay? So, enjoy your diving, ha? Another Ruiz clan here. Mga Ruiz to, di ba? Ruiz ang pangalan mo, di ba? Mark Ruiz. Alright, Mark, saan ka nag-aaral?
Tineo.
Uy, Ateneo boy! Ba? Matalino to. Kasi talino mo siguro ang papa mo. Kasi yung papa mo, classmate ko eh. Alam ba yung papa mo, kumukopya lang ako doon? Kanya ako pumasa sa Ateneo kasi matalino papa mo eh. Ganon, kanya malaki utang na lubos sa papa mo. Well, anyway, gusto mo rin mag-scuba diving. Bakit naman? Ba't gusto mo mag-scuba diving?
Kasi pag computer games na science sa kuryente.
Ulit? Pag
Mga computer games, mga science sa kuryente.
Ayun, pag computer game, sayang sa kuryente. Okay ka talaga. Sa bagay, pag nasa nasa dagat ka, walang gumagamit ng electricity diyan. Ang gastos mo lang dyan, yung hangin na hinihinga mo. Di ba? Ngayon, kung ayaw mong gumastos, tuturuan kita mag-snorkeling. Kasi pag nag-snorkeling, walang nasasayang. Kasi kahit magsawa ka, kahit 8 hours ka mag-snorkeling, walang bayad. Pero kailangan matuto ka mag-snorkel. Ano ba tinuro ko sa'yo sa snorkeling? Paano ba mag-mask clearing? Turo mo nga sa akin, paano ba yung sinabi ko sa'yo?
Mask clearing, yan. Tas,
Ayun, okay. Ipe-press mo ng konti gently sa gitna and then you blow through your nose, di ba, with your mouth closed. Tama? Okay, pag marunong ka nun, mag-i-enjoy ka mag-snorkeling. Kasi, ang number one step bago ka mag-scuba diving is dapat matuto ka mag-snorkeling. Pag marunong ka mag-snorkeling, madali na mag-dive. Okay? Oh, good luck and sana maging diver ka. Alright? June!
Oh,
Ito, ang kaklase ko, I would say more than 20 years ago. And June is right now with his family to learn scuba diving. June, bakit naisipan mong dalhin mo sa akin yung mga kids mo, ha? At gusto nila matuto mag-scuba dive? Bakit scuba diving?
something different. Paano basketball, music, guitar, drums. Something different naman. Just swimming, scuba diving.
We're now diving here in Anilao and we're right in front of Ligpo Island. And the reason why we're here is because wala ka bang trabaho ngayon, Major?
Actually,
Military itong aking kasama eh. Nagbabakasyon eh.
actually, this is both. This is a fun dive and training. Of course, I'm training with the best because I'm also.
Hindi naman the best. The cheapest.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You know, it's actually a Monday right now, and we're so lucky that solo namin ang buong Anilao. Walang katao-tao. Kaya kayo, pag gusto nyo mag-dive, kailangan weekday. Walang traffic. Walang traffic sa ilalim ng dagat. And you are Major Rafi Dumlao.
Yes, I am.
Okay, what do you do for the military, Major?
Actually, I'm a legal officer of the Regional Police Office 3.
Uy, abogado.
Yes. And I'm also a member of the search and rescue team of the Regional Mobile Group,
Aha.
Region 3 also, under the auspices of Colonel Bob Aligayu.
Okay, gusto kong tanong sa'yo, bakit mo naisipan mag-dive, Mr. Major Attorney? Dami pangalan, Major na, Attorney pa.
Well, it's the diversity. We've been having a lot of training up and down, but I think being down has a lot of the ocean has a lot to offer.
I
And
see.
You can see better there.
Okay, basta sabihin mo sa military, lalo sa inyo, pag nagda-dive kayo, kailangan maging basurero kayo. Scuba surero. ang
Scuba
pangalan.
surero.
Yan.
Chief and
Hindi
P.
lang kayo nagda-dive. Pag may nakita kayong dumi, pinupulot. Alam mo, dapat linisin natin ang karagatan eh. Kasi pag naging diver ka, automatically you become an environmentalist.
Exactly.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready to get wet?
I am.
Show me the sign. Yan, all right. Kompleto lahat ha?
Aha.
Nag-body check ka na.
Checked everything.
Checked everything. All right, let's go scuba diving. With me here now is a gentleman. His name is Mr. Bobby Manglapus. The reason why he's so famous because his brother Raulito was the one who convinced me to go scuba diving. Are you aware of that, Bobby?
I am very aware.
Alam mo yung kapatid mo.
I
Kaya hindi ko makakalimutan yung kapatid mo. Sabi niya sa akin, Rolly, it's like going to Aspen and you don't know how to ski. Ang bigat ng sinabi ng utol mo, pare. Alam mo, kayo mga viewers ko, wala kayong ginawa kundi manood ng documentary channel, pinapanood niyo yung mga isda, hindi kayo nagda-dive. You know, sad to say, you're living in a very beautiful country, the Philippines, which has 7,000 islands. Hindi nyo ma-appreciate kasi nandun lang kayo sa top part. Kami ni Paring Bobby, wala kaming ginawa nito kundi mag-dive. Lagi tayong masaya.
So enjoyable.
Kanya ka nawala yung kunot natin eh, tamo. May kunot ka ba?
May konti pa.
Right.
nawala
Oo,
na.
kasi alam nyo, pag nagda-dive kayo, it becomes very, very therapeutic. Nakaka-relax.
Sarap talaga.
Okay? Because, hindi tulad na sa lupa ka, pinapawisan ka. Dito, hindi ka pinapawisan dito. Ay naka-therapeutic because the salt water that penetrates through your body actually heals you. Do you believe that?
It's a good workout and less stress on the body.
Hindi lang
The
yun.
body muscles and bones.
Yes, hindi lang yun.
Very nice.
And it's also a good bonding for your girlfriend, boyfriend, your wife,
Ako walang-
your brother, your sister. Magandang bonding. Kasi
Like to
dito,
dive on my own.
this is the only sport na walang competition. You don't compete.
Yeah.
Like now, we are buddies, right? I have to take care of you. And what will you do?
I don't have to take care of you
You
because
don't
you're
have to
so
take,
good.
You don't have to take care of me.
'Cause you're
no,
so
no,
good.
no, no, no. Pare, that's a mistake. You never use that word. In diving, it's all about safety. Okay? Pag nagyabang yung mga divers
This is
niya na
rigging.
magaling mag-dive yan, huwag niyong paniwalaan. At huwag kayong makikipag-body ron. Okay? Yung magaling na diver, hindi nagyayabang yan. Kasi ang magaling na diver is a safety diver. Alright?
I agree.
So you're my buddy, you take care of me, I take care of you.
agree.
Are you ready to go diving?
I'm ready.
Show me the okay sign. Alright.
All right.